last time we studied how to create a database. Today we will learn more about managing the database. See, I am creating a new database with the name ONGC. Now I will insert some values in the table which I'll make so we can understand the concept of managing the data in the database. See students, how I am selecting different types for different columns, like short text for student name, number for roll number, and date for date of admission. Now I will create or insert some of the entries in the table so that we can understand the methods of sorting, searching and filtering more briefly. Now if you want to edit any type of the column or you want to give description, you can go in design view. It is on the right side corner top in the access video. You can also rename your table here. See students, we have came to design view. In this design view there are three columns given: field name, that is the name of the field you have given, the type of that field, you can also change it here if you want, and third is description column. In description column you can write the description about what is the purpose of that column. See, I am writing name of the student, so if any other user is using this database, he or she can understand easily that what is the column value or what does the column stands for. But again, the description is optional, so if you don't want to have description, that is okay. Now we will go back to data sheet view. Here we will learn about how to apply different filters and find different data and other operations. Like this, we are performing total. That means you can select the option total on the top of the window in home tab, and then you can select any of the column for which you want to perform the operation. When you will click on the column, a arrow will appear in which you can do sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, whichever you want, and the result will be displayed to you. Students, you can also shift the column on whichever place you want by just selecting the column and dragging it to other place, like this. You can select and drag whichever column you want to whichever place you want. See, I have shifted student name to the first. Similarly, you can also apply filters on the columns. Like if you press filter, you will get different options of filtering the data. See, here I just want a particular date, that is 3/9/2020. I will select that and I'll press OK, so I'll get that date only. Now if I want to search any data, I will go to find option and I will just type the name I want and find. So it will find me the particular data which I want. You can practice this at home, all the filters and searching data. This is called freezing. When you freeze any column, then it will not change any place. You cannot shift the column if you freeze it once. You can also unfreeze it by clicking right button on the mouse. Now you can hide and unhide columns from the same menu. Just go to the column, click right button and select hide field. So the field will be hidden. And if you want to unhide, just right click on the mouse again and choose unhide option. Then all your fields will be visible, whichever you select to be visible. So students, try different type of filters and find data whichever you want in your table. Just do practice this at home for better understanding. Thank you.